The Enerpac TL248 track lift system, a hydraulic lifting machine that's fast, precise, powerful, portable, and safe. Traffic demand keeps growing, personnel keeps shrinking, opportunity for permanent track repair is tighter than ever. Over traditional methods, the track lift system reduces track possessions by 75%, drops fewer sleepers, reduces personnel requirements by 70%, and holds track levels to 3.2 millimeters tolerance. Self-contained, self-powered, and engineered for safe, reliable use by a single operator. The Enerpac TL248 track lift system is certified by Network Rail, an endorsement that signifies a commitment to stringent safety measures, quality assurance, and excellence. It's easy to transport, weighing only 626 kilograms, fits in the bed of a utility vehicle, and includes lifting hooks and fork pocket access. It precisely raises and lowers track within 3.2 millimeters tolerance. 4 jacks operate independently to properly level crossings, switches, retarders, and bridge ends. The TL248 offers easy single-operator use with color-coordinated hydraulic lines and valves. It's easy to service and maintain with few moving parts. It lifts, levels, and holds during on-track tamping process. With 4 550 kN jacks, lifting and holding 2200 kN, a lift can briefly pause for on-track equipment to pass. With proper safety protocols, it has redundant systems and counterbalance valves, is highly efficient, executing 3 to 4 diamonds or 5 to 6 switch raises per day, paying for itself in 10 to 20 lifts. The Enerpac TL248 track lift system, a hydraulic lifting machine that's fast, precise, powerful, portable, and safe. Raising tracks, lifting productivity. Find out more at enerpac.com.